Dear students, in the previous video we read about the kingdom Monera, and one of the very common example in that group of Monera we can read Bakchili. We can read Bakchili, right? Bakchili. Bakchili are very small living beings, if I say. Meaningless because I told all monerans they are microscopic as their body is made up of single cell. So obviously the body of a bacteria is made up of single cell. And now if I ask you a question, does the cell of a bacterium has defined this nucleus? You can say obviously no, because prokaryotic cell. So these are some of the important features of the bacteria, right? So bacteria, they are nearly the simplest living form, simplest life forms. You can say that these are the base model of the living beings. When Mother Nature started making the living beings, started creating the living beings, started with this living being bacteria, right? So bacteria is very small. It can be found at any kind of possible habitat. It can be present in air. What about, so when we read about a living being, we read about habitat. As you meet a person, what do you ask? Hey, where do you live? First you ask, what's your name? So name is bacteria. Where do you live? This is where do you live? So it can live in air, water, soil, hot spring, body surface, right? It, now in this video I will tell you. You see, you may have visited a dispensary where sometimes once or others you were injected medicine in the arm with a syringe and needle. Before injecting, before penetrating that needle into the arm, your arm surface is wiped with a cotton soaked in spirit, right? Why? You know the reason. Reason is to make the surface, to sanitize the surface, to make the surface free from microscopic living beings such as bacteria or viruses or fungi or like this. So what happens? How does it get cleared? You know, I have told you, where there is water, there only possibility of life. So once it is rubbed, this spirit is a material that can easily evaporate and is fond of water. It is like a thirsty person. So whatever water is there on the surface, it absorbs and gets evaporated. That's why you feel coldness. It absorbs the hotness of the surface, and because of that hotness it evaporates. Because it's evaporating, or point or temperature of vaporization is very low, so at your body temperature it evaporates. So whatever water is there, that is removed, and hence no microscopic living beings. If possible also they will die, then it is injected, right? So habitat, they can live in water, air, soil, hot spring, on body surface, right? This is habitat about the bacteria. They can be found in the soil, water, air, right? Hot springs, and even present in our inside our body, right? Now regarding the size, they are range from zero point 0.2 to 100 micron size. What is the size? 0.2 to 100 mu for micron. You remember I told you in some of the past video I have told you is of the size, and you know 1 micron is equal to, what is 1 micron? If you take this size, this is 1 millimeter size. If you divide this size into 1000 parts, so 1 millimeter divided into 1000 parts, that is 1 micron. That is the size. Now what else? This bacteria regarding the shape. Regarding the shape, they have varying shapes. Some of them are ball-like. Some of them are rod-like. Some of them spring-like. Some of them are common. So based on the shape, so bacteria have different bacteria have different shape, right? What are these different shapes? Some of them are spherical. Spherical means ball-like, and such bacteria we have named as cocci. Cocci is the plural. Cocci. COCCI. How do you? The pronunciation of this is cocci. 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 This way you will pronunciate it. Cocci. And the singular, this is plural. Singular is coccus. Coccus. Right? This spherical shaped bacteria, they are ball like structures and they are called as coccus. Right? This is first. Clear? Now, how do they occur? Sometimes these coccibacteria, they remain in pairs like this. Sometimes more than one. Sometimes they appear like chain. Right? So these are the three different forms that we read about coccibacteria, and some of the examples in cocci are streptococcus. Right? Streptococcus is the example, and staphylococcus. Second is staphylococcus. Staphylococcus. Right? The second kind of bacteria is shaped like a rod. Rod shape. Rod shape. This is called bacilli. Bacilli. Right? This is called bacilli. And singular is bacillus. And example is E. coli. And in this you have the example E, that is Escherichia coli. You simply write E. coli, that will do. But for E is the word is Escherichia. Escherichia, right? What is the third kind? The third kind is like spring shape, right? Third type is like a spring, and it is spirillum. 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 Right? The third one is spirillum. Clear? And what is the this one shape is like this ball, and this one shape is like this rod. This shape. Spirillum shape is like this. Like this. Do you follow? Here you correct the spelling. This is spirillum. And the fourth one is comma shape. In spirillum you have not written the example. Write the spiral example. You write trypanium, treponema, treponema. Example treponema. Right. And the last kind is comma shape, that is vibrio. Comma you use it like this or like this. Is called vibrio. Vibrio. Right. And in this example is vibrio choleric. Example you must know vibrio choleric. Vibrio choleric. Clear? So see about bacteria when it comes or is asked from you to write about bacteria. So bacteria are simplest life forms, right? They have prokaryotic cell, that is nucleus is not well defined. They lack mitochondria. They are made up of only one cell. They live in air, water, soil, hot spring, body surface. Here body may be living or non-living. Then size, they are so small as they are single cell living beings. So their size also is very small, that ranges from 0.2 micron to 100 micron. 1 micron is equal to, when you divide 1 millimeter into 1000 parts. Right. Regarding the shape, they have different shapes, and based on these shapes they are classified as spherical shaped or ball like, and they are known as cocci. Cocci, and singular is coccus. Sometimes in the examination it is also asked, write the singular of cocci. Right. Then coccus. The second one is, second shape is there. Some of them are rod shaped and they are called as bacilli. Escherichia coli is the example. The third kind is spirillum, like a spiral structure, like the tendrils or the spring, and treponema is the example in this. Then fourth kind is vibrio, is comma shape, and the example of vibrio choleric. This is all about the bacteria. Clear? In the next video I will tell you about the structure of a bacterial cell. These are the features I have told. Okay, thank you.